While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Yoga for Soul Lightness. Let's begin. Light standing. Stand upright with a relaxed posture, feet grounded and shoulders soft. Let the breath flow naturally. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling light, steady, and present. Soft mountain balance. Stand tall in a relaxed mountain pose, feeling gentle strength through the legs. Soften the shoulders and steady your gaze. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, finding quiet balance and calm. Sun breath lift. Inhale as you lift your arms toward the sky, welcoming warmth and light. Exhale slowly, staying grounded through the feet. Move with ease, feeling energy rise gently through the body. Open heart stretch. Gently open the chest and draw the shoulders back, lifting the heart upward. Keep the neck soft and the breath smooth. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling openness and warmth in the front body. Gentle side light. Reach softly to the side, lengthening the body without strain. Let the movement feel light and fluid. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, sensing ease and brightness through the side body. Forward release fold. Fold forward gently, allowing the head and arms to drop and the spine to soften. Let gravity do the work. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, releasing tension from the back and neck. Calm chair flow. Move gently in and out of chair pose, bending and lifting with ease. Keep the chest open and the breath smooth. Inhale deeply as you rise. Exhale slowly as you soften, feeling calm strength and steady flow. Wide open arms. Open your arms wide to the sides, expanding through the chest and shoulders. Keep the posture relaxed and the breath smooth. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling openness and freedom. Low lunge light. Step into a gentle low lunge, keeping the movement soft and easy. Lift the chest slightly while staying grounded. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling lightness and openness in the hips. Seated soul breath. Sit comfortably with a tall spine and relaxed shoulders. Place your hands gently on the heart or knees. Inhale deeply, letting the breath fill the body. Exhale slowly, feeling calm, connection, and inner warmth. Seated side ease. Sit tall and relaxed. Lift one arm overhead and gently lean to the side. Keep both sit bones grounded and spine long. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling length and lightness along the side body. Supine twist calm. Lie on your back and gently drop your knees to one side. Extend the arms out and keep both shoulders grounded. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling a gentle, calming release through the spine and torso. Soul rest, Savasana. Lie comfortably on your back, arms and legs relaxed. Close your eyes and let the body fully release. Inhale deeply, exhale gently, feeling calm, restored, and connected.